So viewers, today we are going to also discuss about Yoroi wallet, and in this video we are going to add new wallet. Yes, if you need to add new wallet under your main wallet, so this video is going to very informative for you. Before going to this watch this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. If you need to get the same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. So well, I hope you properly understand about your wallet. I have uploaded almost 2 videos about this wallet. The first video is how to download, how to install, how to set up, and how to create account. The second video, how to find the wallet address on your wallet. If you need to deposit your wallet, so you must watch my second last video. So today is third video, and in this video we are going to add new account in our Yoroi wallet. Right top one, you can see here the Yoroi wallet icon shown here. Just I'm going to simple click here. If I need to add new wallet, you can see a Yoroi wallet is open in front of me, and my wallet available here. This is only one wallet. If I need to add new wallet, so what will I do? Simple is that I just simple click on this wallet option. So you can see here my main wallet is open in front of me, and there is no any wallet here. So if I need to add new wallet, so what will I do? Simple is that you can see here there is option available here, add a new wallet. Click on it, and then the main page will be open in front of me. There is also 3 options available here. First option, create a new wallet. Second, restore existing wallet. Third, connect a hardware wallet. If you have already phrases, you can use second option. I will also give you more information about this option in my incoming videos. And if you have hardware wallet like Treasure, so you can use third option. So I'm going to click on a create a new wallet, and then you can see read the information carefully before saving your recovery phrases. Recovery phrase is a unique combination of word. Recovery phrase is the only way to access your wallet. So if you lose your recovery phrases, so you can't recover or restore your wallet. Keep in your mind when you are going to create any wallet like Yoroi, ADA, Cardano wallet, Bitcoin wallet, or any wallets, you must have your recovery phrases. Sometimes you need to recover your wallet, so that's time you have your phrases will be used. Okay, and you can also see here Yoroi never ask for your recovery phrases. So going to click on next button, and you can see here my recovery phrase is shown here. I'm going to click show recovery phrases, and also keep in your mind, please don't use these recovery phrases your personal use, because this video is only for educational purpose. If you are going to use these recovery phrases, so your fund will be lost. Okay, keep in your mind. So going to select all, control C, or you can right click on it or copy. Yes, now going to open the notepad file and open my first wallet save file, where I have saved my main phrases of my wallet. So going to save second my wallet, paste here. You can see here this is my second wallet. So I'm going to type here second wallet. Okay, so my phrase is here save here, and before going to save this file, so I must cross check my all phrases is correct or not. If you make any mistake on your phrases, you can't recover your wallet. Okay, so I'm just going to cross check all phrases is correct or spelling is correct. I think all phrases is correct because I just copy all phrases and paste here. So going to click on next button. Now select each word to the correct order to confirm your recovery phrases. So I will be paste here all phrases for the correct my phrases correct or not on correct order. First, tuna company use human. Tuna company use human. And next 4 is balance zone coach index. loan coach, I think index, yes, correct is that. And last, um, Coral Stadium hours and hours, and last is bring vote refuse. And now I have select all recovery phases correct order, and you can also see here there is a tick mark green, recovery phase is verified. So going to click on next button for the verification or add a new wallet details on this wallet. Now wallet name is add a second wallet, it depends on you, you can choose your wallet name. Going to enter password here, I'm going to enter my password here, and also going to enter same password here for the confirmation my password is correct or not. You can see here, if you click on this option, you can wallet checksum is the genetic block image that they generated to the virtual. So I'm going to click on create a wallet. Now preparing your wallet. Yes viewers, add a second wallet is created successfully. If I'm going to click on this option, you can see here my main wallet is available here and my second wallet is available here. Means you can create a multiple wallets and add multiple wallet in your Yoroi wallet, and you can save your amount on different wallets. It's depend on you. This is security purpose. If you need to add more wallets, simple click on add new wallet, click on create a wallet, next, and show phrases, copy all phrases, then next, and you can paste here your all phrases here, but not paste here. So you must save your all phrases first of all notepad file, and after that you can see here now going to paste here. So then you can select or paste all phrases on correct order, then click on next button. So your third wallet will be add in your Yoroi wallet, and you can create a many wallet on this Yoroi wallet. So viewers, I hope you properly understand how can you add new wallet in your Yoroi wallet. This is so simple and easy. If you face any problem regarding this, you can mail to my email address cryptowalletsinfo@gmail.com, and you can also comment below this video. So before going to stop this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Info, and also press the bell icon button. So we'll meet with you in new video. Bye bye.